Hi, this is Module 1, Unlock Your Deep Mind, the beginning of our journey. I'm genuinely excited that you are here, because what you are about to step into is not just another lesson. This is the beginning, a doorway into a part of yourself that you may not have realized was actually waiting for you. And I want you to hear this. This is where your transformation actually begins. Not someday, not after you complete the course, right now. As we move through this, allow yourself to notice the spark, that feeling inside that says, I am ready for more. I am ready to understand myself on a whole new level. This entire journey starts with a single moment of awareness. You are already inside that moment, so let's go deeper. Let's start with something powerful. You are already creating all the time. Your unconscious mind has been generating your results with astonishing accuracy, continuously. Not randomly, not accidentally, consistently. And when you really feel that, it becomes electrifying. Because if you've been creating unconsciously this whole time, once you learn how to direct that creativity on purpose, everything changes. Your deep mind has been waiting for this level of attention, and now that you are here, something inside you is waking up perhaps and saying, finally, let's use this power consciously. Let's keep going. We've all been conditioned to believe that our past defines us. Our mistakes, our upbringing, our wounds, our awareness, all of it becomes this identity we carry around like it's the whole truth. It feels like truth, but that's not who you are. Not even close. Beneath every story you've ever lived, there is a deeper, more powerful you, untouched, unbroken, sovereign. That's the part of you that never internalized limitation. It never believed the lie that you are your past. Traditional approaches barely scratch this layer, and here we go right to the root. We are not just minds. We are not just bodies. We are not isolated thinkers trying to figure life out. We are multi-layered quantum systems of potential. Your conscious mind, your unconscious identity, and your superconscious field are constantly interacting, shaping every experience in your life, every microsecond. And when these three really align, something powerful happens. Possibility expands instantly and exponentially. You stop feeling like you're pushing your life uphill and start feeling like your life is finally moving with you. So take a deep breath. And as I'm saying this, let your entire system begin aligning naturally, because your deep mind knows exactly what to do. This part is important, so let's lean in. Your results, every single one of them, come from your unconscious axioms. Axioms are the hidden rules that your deep mind follows automatically. And they are very precise, laser precise. When you reveal an axiom and rewrite it, everything reorganizes. And I'll give you an example, quick but really powerful. A client of mine once said, I've tried everything to feel confident, but underneath we uncovered an axiom that said, confidence must be earned. So we wrote this axiom. And his behavior changed in a single day. And not by pushing, not by trying harder and repetitious affirmations. By shifting the structure. The unconscious is ready for that kind of upgrade, and I'm sure that you can feel it. There is a version of you, already alive in full potential, who is clear, purposeful, grounded, creative, magnetic, confident, fully confident. And this version is not something that you become, it's something that you activate because it's within you right now. And when I say that, notice what may happen inside you. Notice how quickly your system orients towards that possibility. It's like your deeper mind is saying, yeah, I remember that version. I'm ready to bring it forward. This is identity activation, not imagination, and it's already happening. Transformation doesn't have to take years like we've been told. It takes a structural shift. At the quantum level, there is no future or past, just pure potential waiting to be accessed. When you access that level, you are accessing the deep mind and energetic code that's been shaping your life. And when you change that deep code, you transform into a whole new version of yourself on every single level. Your thoughts, emotions, reactions, interpretations, and most importantly, energetic footprint change. As a result, your behavior follows instantly and your results magically transform. And why? Because you're operating in an upgraded system capable of so much more, and your reality automatically shifts with it. That is why breakthroughs in this system, using this system, look like magic from the outside. They look like magic, but they're not really magic. They are pure mechanics with deep spiritual impact, but that's another level that we will be speaking about later. Now, take a brief moment and reflect on what you are feeling right now. Does what I say here make any sense on a deeper level? Would it not be just amazing how now, if you could just access that deep code level of your mind, the level of axioms and universal principles that's here for unlimited creative expression, wealth creation perhaps? The good news is it's entirely possible. There is a blueprint to activate yourself at that level, and you will learn how to do it. So allow your mind to take it in as you are hearing this. It's already happening. You may not be aware of it, but it is. Now let's talk about the creation code. The creation code is the bridge between linear effort you know so well and quantum possibility waiting to be unlocked. When you unlock that gate, something amazing happens immediately, instantly. No more struggling, no more pushing, getting stuck, no more trying to grind your way into transformation, suffering through insurmountable pushbacks we all know so well. Instead, we align the conscious, the unconscious, and the superconscious levels of you, and that alignment bypasses all your limitations entirely and really fast. And this is not about hoping or wishing. This is engineering your reality in real time at the deepest energetic and logical levels of you. And you know deep inside that these layers are there. And when you give yourself permission to silence your mind, you may immediately feel that truth of that resonating from deep inside. We operate through three forces: your conscious mind, your unconscious mind, your superconscious field, the intelligent and responsive field of unlimited potentiality. When these three align, breakthroughs become inevitable. Clarity suddenly sharpens, confidence raises, momentum builds right away, possibility expands exponentially and magically. And life also responds differently, as on a quantum level, everything is a mirror. And some of you may already feel that alignment starting even in this moment. Here is what happens as you apply the creation code protocols that you are going to learn. All the emotional and behavioral patterns spontaneously dissolve, just disappear. Energy levels rapidly shifts. It becomes more. Thoughts repattern into creative possibility thinking, not worrying and doubting. Creating. Your identity elevates. And at the same time, possibilities suddenly open. And those are not synchronicities, but engineered results which manifest with amazing ease. And the best part of this, it's completely predictable. It's repeatable. It's measurable. And this is not about trying harder. This is structural and energetic transformation. And once it clicks, it becomes unstoppable and irreversible too. You cannot shrink back all the way to the way you were before. It's impossible. What you experience when the code activates, when the mind codes activate, you will feel it immediately. Your clarity spikes. Your decisions feel suddenly clean. Your creativity just flows and you feel it. Your presence deepens and becomes really magnetic. Others will actually comment on how charismatic you are suddenly becoming. You also stop hesitating. You start moving with grace and elegance and precision, and this becomes your new permanent baseline. And if you're perceptive, you will also notice that activation is already starting to happen inside you just by virtue of talking about it. This is how the seeds of greatness are planted. The creation code is built on 4 protocols. Number 1, define your vision, because without a vision, you cannot get anywhere. Number 2, break your old ineffective emotions and mind patterns. 3, step into your true identity and embody it, not the mask that you've been wearing. Number 4, engage the quantum field of potentiality correctly. Activate the mirror effect with quantum precision. Each of these unlocks a different layer of your deep mind and energetic architecture. And then they all integrate inside one powerful mechanism, quantum mind architect. The entire system runs through a precise mechanism called the quantum alignment loop. And here is how it works. Vision creates direction, always. And this is actually quite logical. Identity rises to match that vision. It always does. 3, the deep mind axioms update automatically. They have to. That's the law of the universe. And 4, action suddenly becomes effortless. Quantum feedback amplifies and reinforces the cycle over and over again. And once these loops turn on, it elevates you continuously. You are now operating at a different frequency and with different cognitive and logical abilities at the same time. This happens automatically, naturally, exponentially. And this is transformation that doesn't stay the same but compounds. It never stops. You get better and better and better all the time. It's a journey. What breaks the creation code? The hidden disruptors. At the quantum level, alignment loop activates and you will feel a shift. Your focus immediately sharpens. Your confidence stabilizes. Your clarity becomes razor clean. Your presence grows magnetic. And this is what it feels like when the deeper mind architecture comes online. Allow yourself to just imagine what the subtle versions of this would feel like right now. Who would you be? Your deep identity dictates your potential. Let's briefly discuss what breaks the creation code. Since we are always creating, so let's take a look at what disrupts the optimized creation code. These are the most common disruptors here. They are like a mental noise, like worrying all the time. Old emotion loops, rehearsing old points, rehearsing old pains and trauma and injustices. Identity conflict, that's a big one. Am I ready to upgrade? Am I ready to change? Unresolved tension, usually hesitation that comes from confusion. Energetic drains like negative relationships, those are bad. Chaos around you, unfinished business, even mess in your office. And we are going to dismantle all of those fast, cleanly, permanently, as they are really just what I call mind viruses. And as you imagine releasing them, begin to feel your internal space suddenly just expanding. The final promise. Let's go down to the bottom line here. Here is the promise of this magnificent system. You will meet the version of yourself you're always meant to become and get to know them really well, intimately. You will dismantle the structure that held you back and never look behind. Never. You will reclaim your personal authority once and for all. You will also rewrite your reality with vision, new vision, deep purpose, and with precision. Everything is going to change. You will also stop reacting to life and you will take full control, begin architecting it as an architect of your future in accordance with your best design. And now, take a moment, just pause here for a second. Take a deep breath. Feel that truth settling in, because this is the moment when everything may start shifting just a little bit. So now that you've completed Module 1, what's left for you to do is complete Module 1 workbook. I want you to put your heart and soul to it. Read every question and answer it thoroughly. Give it all you've got. Because what you put into it, you will get out of it. This is the beginning of your transformation. You may discover things about yourself that you never knew. You may see possibility unfolding that you never realized were there. This is your first step towards massive, profound transformation that may completely change your life. Good luck and see you in Module 2.